Of course we miss school. The sound of the actual bell, lunchtime with friends, teachers annoying us in person. Just joking. We all really wish to make this new way of learning easier. Right away is motivation. Right away is support. Right away is an escape in beautiful fantasy. Right away is a young writer's dream. Right away is a new way of learning in this age of technology. When I say right away, I'm talking about fascinating Caribbean characters created by top writers. I'm also talking about some really good videos presented by a writer, performer, and teacher, Lisa Allen-Agostini. She's won prizes for her books and likes to tell jokes. And there's a package just for teachers, so they can help us with online learning.
During the pandemic, we have been forced to be at home, and we still had to give out our content in our subjects. So having the videos ended up being very successful.
The videos include all the crucial areas in creative writing that will definitely have a positive effect on the lives of young writers like
Lamont, Monique Johnson,
Sierra, Najir,
Hannah Easterhack,
Cydney Homer,
Jim Phillip,
Samira Joseph, Ahmarley Brereton.
We believe that with the right support, our young people can realize their full potential and unlock a future that benefits not only them, but also their families and community.
I enjoy writing. I think it's the best way I'm able to express myself.
I asked Miss Lisa how to get through writer's block, and she answered it so clearly. She explained it, and it really helped me, inspired me to write my own stories.
It was easy learning from home because I was in a relaxed spot, so it was easier than in school where you have to be around, your friends.
In addition to providing culturally relevant books to school libraries, it is especially wonderful that the program is being offered through digital learning.
with support from Scotiabank, we can look forward to novels from many of the young dreamers who continue to write away.
The western sun would create a shadow from the house. There you still had a bit of light, but without the heat, but the warmth and the cool and equilibrium. She favored that spot greatly, especially in the summer days.
Mom, I'm home. No answer. Mom, are you there? Still no answer. Steadily, David walked throughout the house. At this point, he felt queer, extremely uneasy in his stomach.
The pale crescent moon shone like a silvery claw in the night sky. Looking out my huge bedroom window, I could see a blanket of stars that stretched to infinity.
From the Right Away workshop, it helped me to show the characters instead of tell what they are.
It opened a new, world for me.
It was the best experience yet again, and I wish to continue to do it again.
The Right Away Young Adult Literature Project is available to all English teachers via the Trinidad and Tobago Ministry of Education's School Learning Management System, SLMS. Log into the SLMS and scroll down the home page to find the Right Away Young Adult Literature course.